Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is Cajun seasoning from scratch. And all the things you're going to need are probably going to be in your pantry, and if they're not, they should be in your pantry. You'll need paprika or smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder or cayenne powder instead of chili powder. That's just a different type of chili. And black pepper powder and oregano. You'd also need thyme, but if you don't have that, that's fine. 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Yum, yum. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Also yum. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I made it 2.5. You can add a bit more if you want it spicier. 2.5 tablespoons of paprika. You could also use smoked paprika if you don't have regular paprika. And for the final ingredient, dried oregano. We're going to be putting 2 teaspoons, or if you got impatient like I did, just start going crazy and shake as much as you can out there. If any of your dry ingredients have clumped up together like mine, make sure to break up the pieces and to grind them. I would recommend using a pestle and a mortar, because that's what I did at the end. It just took ages to try to break them up with that tiny spoon. Mix them up really well and add some dried chili flakes if you want. But that's basically it. You have your Cajun seasoning ready to go into a spice jar for later use. Thanks for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen. Have a great day. Bye!